Emakhosini boko kona bomkhulu ngiyanamukela ku channel yami nesahleli nesalukazi senu intombi endala uGogo Patricia. For those who are new to my channel, please do the right thing and click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, share my videos. So, bantwana bethonga. Kunomntana ethonga ongibuzile othi Gogo ngiziphupha ngifake izibuko, which is I dream of myself wearing spectacles, izibuko zamehlo. What does that mean? Hey, abantu abadala mtakadede bayakhomba ukuthi khona into ofanele uyifakele amehlo, uyifakele izibuko that you're not seeing clearly. Unamehlo, something is going on, kunempukane awuyiboni, but for you to see le mpukane fanele ufake izibuko, fanele uthathe lento leyo yokuchecka and uzokwazi ukuyibona ukuthi ayibo akusinto nje endlulayo le mpukane, then uzokwazi ukuthi wenzeni, uyishaye, uyibulale, uyikhiphe. Right? Abantu abadala, they are showing you ukuthi there's something that you're not seeing clearly. It can be the friends that you are with, it can be emsebenzini, it can be your family members, it can be someone that you are in a relationship with, or even it can be them giving you messages but you're not seeing. So they are saying you need to open your eyes, you need to open your first eye, which is abanye baye bathi it's your third eye, in order for you to see things for what they really are for, as opposed to what when you are seeing, because currently what you're seeing, it's not it. It's not it. Ake ufaste mtanethongo, ake uthandaze, ake umeditate, ake uhlambulule, so that whatever that is blocking you or your eyes or for you to see what is right in front of your eyes, ukwazi ukuthi uyibone mtakadede, iphupho elihle leli elikukhombayo, elikuvezelayo, and abantu abakho bakhuluma nawe. So the best way or the best solution is to consult them and ukhulume nabo, because at the end of the day they will not mislead you. Bayazi bona into bayenzayo. But anyways, I hope you understand. If you don't understand, guys, you are also welcomed to ask any questions in the comment section whenever I find time. As you know, guys, I'm always there to plug you. I'm always there to answer your questions. You can ask your questions, then I'll most definitely make a video or respond to you directly in the comment section. If I feel it's okay, I can just quickly type, but knowing me, I'm lazy to type, so it's easier for me to take a video. Anyways, emakhosini lesedi khanya qamakunzawe.